we're back. You, come here. Here's the sneakers you wanted. Thanks. Yeah. Timmy, here.
You sure you got the right ones? Yeah, you did.
Oh, here. Why is the box so small? What the? Don't look at me. Your mother picked them out. I couldn't afford another pair of Nikes, so I got those for $1.99. Could have at least gotten me Skechers.
Put them on.
Fine, I'll be back.
What are those?
Shut up, Mom. Timmy, you don't say it like that. You say it like, what are those?